In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Halifax credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are plenty of Halifax credit cards available. To browse through them, you can visit the official website, go over to menu, and in here you will see borrowing credit cards. So choose the option here. So now in the website, you will be able to choose your specific Halifax credit card. Now, using it is simple. After you go through the process of signing up to use a credit card here and you are approved, which I'm not going to cover in its entirety, you will receive the new Halifax credit card and you must activate it through the mobile banking app or online banking. You will be given specific instructions and usually you will have to make a chip and PIN transaction first. After it has been activated, you can make purchases using your card. If you are in store, you can physically place the card near a card reader to issue the payment. You will have to input your PIN if you choose one of the traditional methods, such as swiping or inserting the card. And if you are making a payment online, it's going to be as simple as entering the full 16-digit card number, expiry date, and the 3-digit security code on the back of the card. As long as you complete the extra security checks for some online purchases and the card has been activated, you will be able to make purchases using your Halifax credit card. You can manage your account and the card at any point through the mobile app or online banking, where you can set up limits, view the details and the PIN, freeze the card, and statements. It's simple to do and you can check your eligibility by visiting the Halifax website. And they will tell you if you are approved for one of their cards. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.